and top tube is only tacked. As you see, there is no seat stays. I'll do seat stays when it's all cleaned out and all the fillets smooth walked. And you could see on Instagram, I posted yesterday some pictures of these reinforced inserts for the internal routing. It was quite worky, quite a lot of work there. Yeah, now focus. It's quite a lot of work. I did preheat already, so I can jump right into. I'll heat again a bit. Brazing top tube, it's always nice. There are no difficulties whatsoever. So it's quite clean and fast. And even working on a fillet, smooth and file on smoothies, it's quite easy. Let's put it this way. Oh, not bad, I think. Not bad.